darlings. It's wonderful to see you all again. Today's video, I think I'll stand over here. No, I'll stand over here. No, I won't. I'm going to stand over here. Today's video, I'm going to do a review of this mini manual washing machine, and it has a spin dryer too. Woohoo! Now, I want to show you first. It comes with this, a drainage hose, but I'm not going to use that. It also comes with this tube, so you can pour the water in there. Oh my God. Now I can't get it off. Oh, yes I can. It's making a liar out of me. But I'm not going to use that either. Now I've already put the detergent and water in there. And this is the detergent that I use. It's called Earth Choice Eucalyptus. Oh, it smells beautiful. And the reason why I prefer to use eucalyptus is because it's an antibacterial, as well as smells lovely and making your clothes smell nice too. And did you know that you can also use tea tree oil in your washing too? So I'm going to put this over here for now and show you. This is the lid. That wasn't supposed to happen. Blooper. And so this is going to turn the lid around for both the washing and the spin dryer. So this one here in the middle is for your washing. So that will go around. I'll hold this up like this. Oh, maybe this way might be better, as you can see. And this one goes into here for your spin dryer, and that only goes one way. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'll put that back in there. I'll put that up there for a minute. Now, I've got some clothes with me, which I'll put in there. So, put in your tea towel. I found a leaf in there. I've got some more towels. Pretty. And another towel. And so I've just filled it up by the bucket because that's what I prefer to do. Another towel. And I'll show you how well they come out. Pair of jeans. T-shirt. Okay. Now what I like to do is just move them around a little bit, like that, just to make sure that the detergent is dissolved properly. Okay. So now we put the lid on, and then the clip will secure it. And as you can see, I've got the drainage hose on the side. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh my God. Oh my back, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, it's a little bit heavy with the water in there, but You know how heavy water is. Okay, now just before I start, I want to explain why I'm going to give this machine 10 out of 10. Woohoo! That's right, because I like how small it is. I mean, I can fit it into my van, but it also holds a lot of clothes, which is convenient. Now, this washing machine is great for people who live in small places like dorms, caravans, tiny homes, etc. And I use this all the time to do my washing at home as well as in the van. Now, I bought this washing machine from Temu a few years ago for about $80. And it has paid for itself over and over and over again. Because it's manual, it doesn't use any electricity at all. Therefore, I have saved a heap of my electricity bill. So, it's a win-win, win-win, win-win. Woohoo! Okay. So, we're going to wash our clothes. You can use it for as long as you want to, or just a few minutes. It's up to you. It just depends on your preference, that's all. So, we're going to turn it around and then turn it the opposite around for best results. So, this is what I do. And then you give it a good whack and let it spin as well. Now that's one way. Now I do it about 30 times one way and 30 times the next. But you can do whatever you want. So now we're going to do it in the opposite direction. Like so. And then I will just rotate back and forth. Now I also like how easy it is to use. I can't believe we've got a nice day again today. I was hoping for a nice day for the weather, just so I could show you this. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Now watch how I do this. Oh my God, I love this washing machine, I absolutely do. Now we're going to rotate it again. Like so. Woohoo! And what I do, when I'm using this at home, I have it in my bathroom, and I just use it in the bathtub because that makes it easier for me. And I prefer to do one load of washing each day. And so while I'm doing the housework, I just go into the bathroom every now and then, and I will rotate this a couple of times like this. Woohoo! Voila! And then the other way again. There you go, like that. And then I'll let that spin on its own. And it's also, I didn't realize, but it's also a good way to help keep fit too. Even though it doesn't take much energy because it's easy to use. Even when you're using the spin dryer, it's easy to use. Okay. So we've got the pegs and the clothes horse here. Okay, so can you see why I'm giving this washing machine 10 out of 10. You can buy them from Amazon, eBay, online. I'm not sure if you can buy them in stores or not. If you can, I don't know. I've never seen them. But I think Temu might be the cheapest, or maybe eBay. I don't know. And if you can get it on special, even better. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, let's have a look. So we take the lid off. I'm going to better not put you in the van because it's wet. Okay, I'll stick you on there for a minute. Okay, let's have a look at them, shall we? Oh, wow. Now you saw this towel before I put it in when I showed you, and now look at it. Oh, I can smell the eucalyptus. Alright, now before I put this spin dryer on, I'm just going to do this one more time just to make sure. There. See how easy it is to use? And what I like about it is that it's very sturdy. It's really well made. So it's going to last you a lifetime. There we go. You can come back here. You Nicky Whoop. Okay, put you back down there. Okay. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to have a drink for a minute. It's quite warm today, but now I'm thirsty. That's better. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take out the plug and we're going to let the water go, and we keep the plug out like this. Okay. I'm going to put this over here up on the toilet for a minute. So we're going to let that drain out. While that's doing that, I'm going to give these a little bit of a rinse out. You don't have to do that, but I like to do that because it gives them a bit of a head start. I'm not going to worry about the rest. So we're going to put the lid back on. Like that. the plug is here, and we don't put that in. But make sure you don't lose it because you need it. Okay, it's going to go there. Okay, so now we take this out and we're going to put it in the spin dryer like this. And you make sure that the handle on the spin dryer is facing outward. It doesn't matter which way the handle is facing when you're doing the washing. But I do know that it's important to keep the handle out when you're doing the spin dryer because you can only go one way. So let's do that. Now I'm going to turn this around on an angle. Maybe I'll come back a bit. Can you see me properly? Let me have a look. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can. Now, you watch the water come out of here, out of down here, as I turn the spin dryer around. The only problem is, well, it's not really a problem. You have to hold it down because once it gets spinning, it's going to moving because of the vibration. So you have to hold it down. Oh. If that comes off, don't worry. Just put it back in. Look, let me put you back there. Now, one thing that I've noticed is that it also depends on the type of materials that you're cleaning. Meaning, because when you're spin drying, different materials spin dry quicker than other materials. You know what I mean? Look at that. Now let's have a look. Still just a little bit, not as much. Pretty. Just a little bit, so that I know I need to do that a few more times. Okay, let's check out my jeans. Oh, wow. See what I mean? So these ones are now. Hello. 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 Come say hello to my viewers. Oh, please. Oh, party people. That was my neighbor. I asked her to come say hello to you, but she didn't want to. Oh well. Maybe next time, I'm hoping. So there we go. Put a peg up there and a peg up there. Beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at this t-shirt. Almost done. Smells beautiful. Oh wow. The eucalyptus is just, oh my God. Okay, so stick it back on. And another thing that I've noticed with this when using the spin dryer is that the the less stuff you have in here, the faster it will go. See what I mean? That's beautiful. Look at that. Voila. Okay, so we're just going to hang this top over here. A couple of pegs. Much better. You don't always have to use pegs, but I'm just going to make sure that the wind doesn't throw them out. Okay, so let's have a look. Good enough. Good enough. You can go up here. Some people do. And that's what I do when I'm at home. I was going to the bathroom when I had to spin dry it. I do that. And I keep my clothes washed in the lounge room because that's the only place where I can keep it because of the room. And I just take it out of here one by one, stick it on the clothes wash and come back. And it's so easy. And so convenient. Oh, I love it. Okay. Beautiful. Now let me give up there. So I can put this one here. Give up there. So, you see what I mean? Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my God. This one is a different material. So this one needs to be a few more times. So that's going to go back in. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, that one can go back in for a few more times. So, okay, so we put the lid back on that, and I'm going to give that a spin dry again. God, look at that. I can't believe how clean that is. Unbelievable. Okay. Okay, so this one can go over here. And because today's a nice day, I think it's about 28 or 29 degrees today, and we're in Melbourne, Australia, so they're not going to take long to dry. Okay, look at that. Okay, this one needs to go back in again. I didn't think about the trays. The loads are going into my washing machine. Oh well, no big deal. Okay. Alright, so now let's have a look, shall we? Good enough. I'll give it about 2 more goes, I think. But you can see how I'm not putting any effort into the spin dryer. Nor was I putting any effort into the washing either. Oh, come on. Okay. So let's have a look now. So it just depends on the type of materials. You know, so some materials are going to spin dry quicker than others. Okay. Much better. Good enough. Good enough. Alright, this one can go over here. Grab a pick. Okay. Woohoo. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And this comes out easy for easy cleaning. Now, before I finish this video, I'll put you there for a minute. I want to show you something that's very important. Now, I'm going to hold this up like that. Now, do you see those 3? I'll move a bit closer. Now, do you see those 3? Now, keep that thought. Now, let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3. Do you see them? Therefore, it's most important that those 3 go into these three. Because if you don't put that in properly, it's going to make it difficult to use. Meaning when you use the spin dryer or the washing machine, you're going to be like, oh my God, why isn't it turning? So make sure you have that in the right spots, okay? And so what I do, so this is how I do it. So I grab them with my finger as an indication so I can feel. And I'm going to line this up. As you can see. Okay, I think I'll better put the lid back on here for there. I don't want any more leaves getting into the washing machine. And when you put the lid on, you take this off and put that out the way for a minute. Make sure, can you see that? Now it's nice and secure. I mean, it's been dry, it's been so well, you have to hold it in. I mean, let me show you. It comes with suction cups, which are great. The suction cups are great when you're doing the washing, but they don't really have much when you're doing the spin dryer, but I'm not really worried about that because as long as the spin dryer works and it works well, that's all that matters, because there's not too many small washing machines like, I'm going to put that up on here. No, you still can't see it. There's still not a lot of small washing machines this size that work that well that have a spin dryer. Because it was important for me to have a washing machine like this, which I could use at home as well as in my van here. And it also had a spin dryer. So, like I said, I bought that on Temu for $80 a few years ago. And like I said, it's going to last me forever. And then when I use my other washing machine at home, I'll use this one. Because by doing that, I'm saving so much money off my electricity bill. Okay, that's about it for today. I need another drink again. I'm quite thirsty today. Maybe because it's hot. And the wind is blowing my hair into my face again. Okay, much better. I'll put that back there for a minute. Okay, so 10 out of 10. I can use it as a drum for this washing machine. And they're really handy. If you live in a small place, like if you're in a dorm, or a tiny house, or even a caravan, and if you're looking for something like this with the spin dryer as well, that works really well, that is sturdy and well made, this is what you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to put that down there for a minute. And I think that's about all I can say for now about it. I can't think of anything else. All I can say is that I'm really happy with that. I've been wanting to make this video for a long time and I'm glad I've done it today. I'm starting to feel better, which is good. So thank you for joining me for today's video. It's so wonderful to see you all again. And it's great to be back after that difficult time in my life recently. Now also, before I nick you up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you can support me. And please give my videos a thumbs up too. And I'm going to go now. I'm going to cut this video short now. I'm not sure what my next video will be, but I'll surprise you. Alright, so until the next video, take care guys. Be safe. Bye bye.